All right, so this is a 2001 Ford Expedition, and the back wiper only goes up part of the way. You can kind of see on the window it goes up about this far and then it stalls and goes back down. So we're gonna try and figure out what's going on here. Take it apart, get the regulator out, and just see mechanically what's going on. I assume it's a mechanical problem, and we'll go from there. To get access to the wiper regulator, basically you gotta take these two Phillips screws out right there and then pull these little trim covers off, get these off, and then there's something behind there we'll get undone as well. Okay, so we got this top piece taken off as well, and then basically you get underneath here, peel this back, and inside there are the little barb deals, so we'll pull this back trim piece off. Alright, so it just has some of these little barbed clips like that, littered all around, and then here we've got it removed. And so you can see here is the regulator right here. We're going to take the wiper arm off, put those 3 bolts and then this connector, and we should be in business here. Alright, so before you get the actual motor out, of course you need to take this arm off, and so there's a little trim piece that goes over the top here. You need to pull that off and then remove this nut. Alright, so we got our liner back put up, and then like right around the holes is kind of where it seems to stick okay. And then each one of these little pieces, if any of them were left behind in the door, we got those all put back into place. And now we're just gonna slap this baby up there. Okay, when you're putting this top trim piece up, that's how those little clips came undone. Ours just, they kind of were left in the actual hatch. So you gotta put them back and then snap it into place. Alright, so we got this little trim piece put back on, and you set it when it's off, and then you set it off with this rest. So go ahead. There you go. So that's how it works. Everything's working nicely, and then it returns to rest on its stop. Thanks for watching.